Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Materialized or Jax, back again with another motherfucking video. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm on Xbox One with guns in my hand, playing Minecraft. That's something I never thought I'd be saying, but yes, guys, I am playing Minecraft using an AWM, an AUG, a Deagle, a USP, as you can see, and a multitude of other things. Let's go get that pig. Where you at, pig? Come here. Come here. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, I see ya. Don't you run. Don't you think you're getting away? Boom. Yes, guys, I am using guns and stuff like that, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to get these today. So, let me just show you all of the guns that you can actually get. Boom. Not that. Not that either. Not that either. Not that either. Not that either. Not that. And there it is. Look at all the weapons I have in my inventory. I have a Beretta, I have a Scar, a G3 6C, an RPG, an MP40, P90, Car 98K, Colt 45, Glock, S686, S12, Galil, FAMAS, Uzi, UMP, and then AK, AUG, Deagle, USP, M3, M5, M4, and M16. And then I have the explosive grenades. And yes, guys, they really do work. Let me show you one of these things. Watch this. Let's toss one. Look, it just stuck to the tree. Watch this. It actually blows the trees up. Tell me that isn't insane. That's so crazy. They stick to the trees, they blow up the ground, they do all kinds of stuff. It's the behavior pack. But if you want to go ahead and, oh wow, blew a hole in a little cave here. Let's go ahead and get into the video, guys, because I know you guys want to use these. Is that a gold skeleton? Whoa, hold on. Are you? Hey. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. I want to show you guys exactly what we can do with these things after I shoot an RPG. Here we go. Die. That was insane. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so what you're going to want to do is actually have 4 apps installed on your Xbox. You're going to want the File Downloader, the File Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and UFO Transfer. Now, File Explorer is already on your Xbox by default, but you're going to have to get Microsoft Edge and File Downloader. You're probably going to have to get Microsoft Edge File Downloader, and I know you're going to get UFO. So, head over to the App Store, and you do that. To hit this, you're going to go down to Store, and you're going to go ahead and head down here to this little apps thing and search for the apps there. Now, once you guys have this installed, you're going to want to go ahead and head on over to your Microsoft Edge. Now, once you guys load up on your Microsoft Edge, you're going to want to type in this MediaFire link right up here. You're going to go ahead and type in your search bar up there that I have, exactly word for word, letter for letter, number for number. Type every single thing that I have exactly the way I have it. Now, if you want to go ahead and pause the video here, you could do so. I'm going to go ahead and continue on, but you can go ahead and pause the video here and then unpause whenever you're ready to continue. But what you guys are going to want to do when you're on this page is hover over this green rectangle download box, and you're going to want to press the pause button, which is the 3 lines in the middle of your controller. Now, when you press that, you're going to want to come down to copy link. Once you guys have pressed copy link, you're going to open up your menu by pressing the middle button on your Xbox, and you're going to go into the File Downloader app that you just downloaded. Once you guys are in the app, your app won't look like this. You're going to go to the top left and press these 3 lines. Once you guys press those 3 lines, you're going to go to From URL. Once you guys have pressed From URL, you're going to come down here and you're going to press this button right here, which says Local Storage. Now, once you press Local Storage, you're going to come up here to the top, you're going to click this, press B, and then hit your pause button, which is the 3 lines, and come down here and hit Paste. Now, once you guys have hit Paste, you're gonna go and hit this arrow right here, which because your thing should look like this. If it does, you're on the right path and you're doing it correctly. Now once you guys have done that, you're gonna come down here to the bottom and you're gonna hit start. What this is going to do is do a quick little download. Now you're not going to get this error message. I got this error message just because I already have the stuff. But all you're going to want to go ahead and do is, once you have that done, come to the top left up here again, and you're going to want to go to storage. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you guys are on storage, you're going to actually see this right here, which is the actual guns / add-on / behavior.mc pack. Now, what our goal is to make it look like this. This is a zip file, this is not. So what we're going to go ahead and do here is click this check mark right next to the actual guns thing. You're going to be looking for this. You're not going to have all this stuff in here, but what you're going to go ahead and do is click on the check mark right next to the actual guns behavior MC pack, and you're going to come down here and hit these 3 dots. Now when you hit that, you're going to come up here and hit rename, and you're going to hit RB and then type .zip. Once you do that, hit B and then hit OK. Now you're not going to get this error. I got it because I already have it, but once you guys type that in, you should get this zip file right here, which is the same name that you guys just hit here. What you're going to go ahead and do is click on the zip file that you just made. Once you guys have made that, you're going to come down here to the bottom right and select this icon right here. Once you guys have done that, you're going to come over to this icon and select that. From there, what you're going to do is come up here and hit the up button. Once you guys have clicked that, you're gonna come up here, click the search bar, and type in whatever name you guys want. For me, I'm gonna type in gun BEH. This means gun behavior pack. That's just shortening it. Now once you guys have typed that, hit B and go down here and press the 3 lines again. Once you guys have pressed that, come up here and hit new folder. Once you guys hit new folder, you're going to come down here and you're going to select this icon right here. Once you guys select this icon, you're going to see something pop up that says pasting. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'll see you guys whenever it's done.
And all the great things about it. Nowadays, the Blockbuster buildings look like
5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So whenever your thing gets done pasting, all of those things that you copied a little bit ago should actually be in your thing here. So now that you guys have these in here, what you're going to go ahead and do now is hit your middle button and head back to Microsoft Edge. Once you guys load back up on Microsoft Edge, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is this time you're going to type in this, which is pretty different. All these numbers right here are different, but everything else is the same. So you're going to type this in your search bar, and like I said before, if you guys want to pause this and go ahead and type it in, you're more than welcome to, but I'm going to go ahead and continue. Once you guys get that typed in and you're on this page, do the same thing as before. Hover over the download link, select the pause button, come down and hit copy link. Once you guys have hit copy link, head on back over to File Downloader. Once you guys get to File Downloader, you're going to be on the page that you last left off. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and come back up to the left, hit these 3 lines, and you're going to want to go to From URL. Once you're on From URL, you're going to come over here, select this, hit B on your controller, and then hit the pause button. Once you guys press that, you're going to come down and hit Paste. After that, guys, come down here, select the up key, hit local storage, and then go to the far right and hit the down arrow. Once you guys have this in your search bar and it looks exactly like mine, come down here and hit start. Now this may take a little bit longer than the last one, not too much longer, but a couple seconds longer. And once it finishes, you're going to come up to the left, go to storage, and it's going to take you back to the gun BEH folder that we were on earlier. What you're going to want to do is click up. From after you click up, guys, you're going to come up here one more time, and you're going to look for the resource pack. Now, it's not going to be a zip file. It's going to look just like this, and we're trying to get it to look like this. So once again, click on the checkbox, make it checked, come to the bottom right, click this, go to rename, RB, and hit .zip. Now once you guys have that, you're going to hit B and hit OK. Now for me it's going to pop up an error message, but all you're going to want to do is ignore that. And once you guys have that typed in, you're going to get this folder right here. So once you guys have this folder, select that folder, go inside of it, come down here, click this icon, and then select this icon right here, which is the copy button. Now it's going to go ahead and copy this. Now what you're going to do from here is hit up. Once you guys hit up, you're going to do the same thing as earlier. You're going to come up here to the top, and you're going to type in gun RES. Now once you guys type in gun RES, what you're going to want to do is hit B, come down to the bottom right, select the three dots, and hit new folder. Now once you guys have this new folder, you're going to come down here to the clipboard icon, and you're going to paste it. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'll see you guys in just a minute when everything's done.
A fucking relic of the Fallout universe. They're dilapidated and shambles or changed into something else. You'll only find used needles there from the drug addicts, or you use it as a place to meet up with your dealer who's your shady cousin and he does business by the dumpster at the old Blockbuster. It's gone. It is a dead business, and the only real example that I can think of a business that level, $6 billion worth, just...
So once you guys have all of this stuff in here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is come down to the bottom right here one more time. Jackson cut everything out from that start. What you're going to go ahead and do is start from here. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now that you guys have this in here, what you're going to go ahead and do is basically hit up, and once you're back on this page, all you guys are going to go ahead and do is hit the middle button, and you're going to go ahead and head on down to UFO.transfer. Now once you guys are on UFO.transfer, this is what the page is going to look like, but what you guys have to do before you see this gear icon up here is what you're going to want to do, guys, is go ahead. Okay, I'm just going to go back to the other thing and tell them. Alright, Jackson, again, cut all of that out and start from here. Three, 2, 1. Okay guys, now that you have all of this stuff in your gun res folder, what you're going to want to go ahead and do before we get on to the next step is go ahead and hit your middle button and head on over to the settings on your Xbox. Once you guys are on the settings of your Xbox, what you're going to do is head on down to display and sound. Once you're on display and sound, go over to video output. From video output, go to video fidelity and overscan, and you're going to hit apps can add a border and make sure that box is unchecked. So if it looks like this, make sure it looks like that. Now once you guys have that, you're going to head on over to the UFO.transfer app that you just installed a little bit ago. Now when you load it up, if you don't do that step that I just showed you, this gear icon right here isn't going to be here. But now that you guys have completed that step, all you're going to want to do is click this gear icon. From there, you're going to want to go ahead and go to Open in File Explorer. Once you guys have that open, you're going to go ahead and click on the Packages tab up at the very top. Once you guys have clicked the Packages tab, you're going to go down and find megascopes.universal file. Now, if you guys can't find that, all you got to do is make sure your stuff is on sort by date, newest on top, and you're going to go look for 25974 megascopes.universal file. Now, I don't know if that number is going to be the same. I don't think it will be, but all you're going to do is just find the megascopes.universal file. Go ahead and open that. Once you're inside, go to local state. From local state, you're going to see both of your folders here. You're going to see gun BEH, which is gun behavior, and gun RES, which is gun resource pack. Now, what we're going to go for first is actually gun BEH. So what you're going to do is hover over this, hit the pause button, and go down to copy. Now, once you have that copied, hit up on your joystick a couple times and go back to packages. Once you guys have selected packages, you're going to go down and find your Minecraft UWP console. Now this might be different for you guys, it might be the same, it might be on the right, it might be on the left. Just go look for Microsoft.Minecraft UWP console. Once you guys find this, go ahead and select it and go to local state, games, com.mojang, and you're going to go to these two folders here. Now, you're not going to have anything. The only thing you guys are going to have is Minecraft PE and Minecraft Worlds. So in order to make a new folder, what you're going to want to do is come down here to the bottom, select this icon right here. You're going to go ahead and type in behavior underscore packs. Now make sure you guys spell it exactly how I do. If you don't, it will not work, and none of the stuff you just did will work whatsoever. So make sure you guys spell it exactly the way I do. Type that in, hit B, and then hit OK. Now, I have two of those packs, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this one, but make sure you guys have this pack right here. What you're going to do is go ahead and head into that behavior packs that you just made, click it, you're going to hit pause, you're going to go, not hit pause, you're going to click it, and you're going to go down here and select this clipboard icon. Now once you click that, it's going to put your BEH, your gun BEH folder in there, but I already have behavior guns, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that folder. But once you guys have that in here, you're going to go ahead and click on local state, go back to packages, and you're going to go back to megascopes.universal. Once you guys get there, click on local state, and then you're going to get your gun resource pack, which is gun res. So do the same thing, hover over it, click the pause button, and go to copy. Then you're going to click on packages again, go down to Minecraft UWP console again, click on local state, games, com.mojang, click on that, com.mojang, sorry about this guys, I'm really messing up here, click on com.mojang, and then go, and you're gonna make a resource underscore packs folder. So once again, come down here to this icon, type in resource, just like this, resource underscore packs, just like I'm showing you guys on screen. Again, if you don't spell this correctly, it will not work. You're gonna hit B, hit OK, and you're going to type that. Now don't spell it like that, I spelled it wrong, I forgot the E on the end. Spell it like this. So once you guys get this thing right here, this packs right here that I'm hovering over, once you guys have that down on spelled correctly, you're gonna click in this folder, you're gonna hit the you're gonna go down here and select the clipboard icon again. Now that you have that resource folder pasted in here, gun res, all you're going to want to do is hit the middle button and open up your Minecraft. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, once your Minecraft is loaded up and your character is loaded up right here, all you're going to want to do is hit play. You're going to want to go to the world that you want to have the guns on, such as you could even create a new world. I'm going to go ahead and create a new world. And what you're going to want to do, guys, this is the part that you got to pay attention on, otherwise this will not work. So I'm going to go ahead and name this Guns YouTube. Now once you have that named, all you're going to want to do is go and you can put it on creative. Make sure you guys have it on creative. You guys can take it off of creative and put it back on survival afterwards, but make sure for this world that you're using you put it on creative. Now once you guys have it on creative, you're going to want to go ahead and head on down here to the bottom, and you're going to want to put on use experimental gameplay. So go ahead and hit A on this and hit continue. Now once you've hit continue, you're going to head on over to the left here, head down to resource packs, and you're going to notice that you have something called actual guns add-on. Now that you have this, you're going to go ahead and hit A on it and then hit the plus. Now once you've hit that, you're going to go ahead and go down to behavior packs and do the exact same thing. Hit A and hit plus and then hit continue. Now that you have that added on, all you're going to want to do is go on up here to the top and hit create. Now the way you're going to tell if you did this properly, it should say Minecraft actual guns up top. As you see, it does say on my screen. It says Minecraft, and right under it in a weird nice little font it says actual guns. Now once you guys get in the game, you're not going to have anything, but currently the only way to acquire these is actually in creative mode. Hopefully they should be releasing a patch here soon to where you'll be able to craft them. But what you're going to want to do to get these guns, to get every single gun you could possibly get, is you're going to go ahead and hit right on the D-pad. You're going to go to this text box, hit it, you're going to do /function, just like this, /function, and you're going to type space get all guns. Now this will give you every single gun you can get. You just want to hit X. You want to hit B and then hit X, and this will give you all of the guns. Now to shoot these guns, you're going to go ahead and use your shift, aka your crouch, and that is how you shoot the guns. You can also give yourself ammo, as you can see in my inventory. Let me go over to it. In my inventory here, I have all of the ammo that I'll need for every weapon. I have shotguns, S686s, Galils, rocket launchers, smoke grenades, flashbangs, and I'm going to go ahead and show you one of these smoke grenades because they're actually super cool in my opinion. I actually really like these things. They actually look pretty cool. Now depending on the shader pack you have, I'm not rocking a shader pack in this one now, but the shader pack actually makes that look 10 times better, and I will go ahead and show you that now. So I should be able to hit settings and go on down to the game and turn on a different shader if possible. We'll see here though. Doesn't look like I can. Give me 1 sec, I'll be right back. Okay guys, now that I'm back in, as you can tell I have my shader pack on, makes the game look absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and throw one of these smoke grenades, and I'm pretty sure that it actually changes the way the smoke looks. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, it kind of changes it a little bit, but it definitely does work, and it has sort of a spacing radius. So it's super cool, and I'm talking like these things here, they really do work. These guns really do work. As you can see, if I'm way up here, if I want to take that chicken, let me pull out an M3, take out this chicken here. Hey chicken, where you at, huh? You hiding in the smoke somewhere? I did hit him, didn't I? Oh my god, I think I did hit him. Well, cool. Wow, I did not think I hit him. But yeah, guys, that's literally all you do, and you got it in the game. That's super, super cool. That's literally all you guys have to do, and boom, you got it. So let me check. I'm gonna show you guys a couple more of the weapons here, such as the Beretta here. The Beretta actually is loud, so let me drop down. Watch this. So the way that the snipers work, guys, that's something I should mention. The way that the snipers work, it took me a little bit to understand how they actually worked properly. But in order to shoot them properly, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is, let's see if I can find an animal. I'm not seeing hardly any, though. Okay, that's okay. I don't need one, I guess. Well, I'll hear some chickens, good. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit right down on the right joystick. You're going to aim at the chicken, and then you're going to press down on the joystick again. And that'll actually shoot the gun off. Now, sometimes it'll hit, sometimes it won't, but I'll show you here. Press down, and then press off, and that's how it fires the gun. So, as you can see, I hit that chicken. But you're going to press down, and then press off, and it'll shoot the gun. For the deagle, for the other weapons, all you have to do is just press down, and that's really all you got to do for those. For the AK, it's super cool, as you can tell. Shotgun, just full on launching, and the MP5 is like one of the quickest firing weapons. You can tell it's super quick, and I haven't even tested all these weapons out myself, so I don't even know what they all do. This is single fire, I believe. Hey, get over here, get over here. Alright, let me look at some other ones here. I haven't tried out the MP40 yet. The Kar98K I haven't tried out. I haven't tried out a lot of these weapons yet. I've only tried out a few of them, like the Glock and stuff I haven't tried out. We'll test some of them out here, guys. Let's see. Ooh, hold on. Okay. That's cool, I guess. The car absolutely destroyed that chicken. That thing shoots super quick. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to test in today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy, and these weapons are actually super, super cool to use. So if you did enjoy, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Materialized, or Jax. Peace out, guys.